Good morning friends. Today we will take up a problem on calculation of earthwork by mid section method. So the problem is the RL of the ground is given as 151, 150.9 so on, and the stretch is for 400 meters. The chainage is starting from 1000 to 1400 and respect to reduced level of grounds are written here. Then in the problem it is given that the RL of formation at 1000 chainage is 152, that is here. So as per the ground level, first plot the ground profile up to the 400 meters, that is 1400 chainage. Then after that the RL of formation is 152 at first chainage, and from there is a drop of 2 meters, that is a downward gradient of 1 into 100. So for every 200 meters there is a drop of 1 meter. So the stretch of the road is 400 meters. So there is a total drop of 2 meters. So from 152 there is a drop of 2 meters, that is here the reduced level of the formation is 150.00 meters. So this is the Moss Hall diagram. So we can notice that up to the chainage just after 1200 the area is in filling, and afterwards we have to cut the ground. So here the ground level is much lower than the formation level. Here the ground level is higher than the formation level. So you calculate the difference in banking or reduced levels. If it is in banking, enter in banking column. If it is in cutting, enter in cutting column. So here for example the formation is 152 and the reduced level of the ground is 151. So difference is 1, that is 1 is written here, and this is 1 meter and this much is the filling. So you have to enter this all these items in filling item, then you have to enter remaining rest of the portion. Here the ground has to be cut as ground level is much higher than the formation level. So these are the depth of the cuttings at respective chainages. So you can notice that at one particular point here the formation level meets the ground. So we have to calculate this distance, that is x, from 1200 chainage. What is the distance where the ground meets the formation level? So if I draw the diagram of cross section at 1200 chainage and 1240 chainage. So at some distance x, let us assume that the ground meets the formation. So if you take the equilateral triangle or similar triangles formation, x divided by 0.3 will be equal to 40 minus x divided by 0.4, that is written here. So from this calculation we calculate it as x equal to 17 meters. So that is at 1217 chainage, the depth of cutting equal to depth of banking, and that is equal to 0. So then we have to list out the table. So we will calculate the quantity by drawing a table. So at the top of the table you can write width of the formation is 10 meter, side slope in banking is 2:1, side slope in cutting is 1.5:1. So we will solve the problem by mid section area method. First column will be station or chainage, second column is depth or height in meters, then mean depth or mean height in meters, then area of the central portion, that is this portion, then area of the sides, that is SDM square, then total area will be BDM plus SDM square, then length between the stations is 40 meters. Then if the quantity is in banking, enter in banking column, if it is in cutting, enter in the cutting column. So you can notice that at 1217, that is here at 1217 the depth of banking or cutting is 0, 0. Okay. Then here you have to take for mean depth this one you have to take average of first two successive, that is 0.95, then average of these two is 1 meter, like that average of these two is 0.15. Area of the central portion is 1.5, that is 10 into 0.15, that is 1.5, then it is 0.045. Then length between total area will be this plus this, that is 1.545. So distance between this and this is 17 meters, and distance between this and this is 23 meters. So the quantity will be, here it is 26.27 and here it is 7.7. So like this you have to make. So at a particular chainage where the ground meets the formation level, so you have to introduce this one line where the depth or height is 0, then average of these two is taken as 0.15 multiplied by 10 meters, it is 1.5. So and yes, it is square. So this much portion it is in banking, afterwards it is in cutting. So it will be, so you have to multiply it by 2 dm square, that is 0.15 square into 2. So we will get total area multiplied by length between the station is, previous station is 1200 and at 1217 it is 0. So it is 17 meters, then remaining is 23 meters. So this both together again you will get 40. So total banking quantity will be 1821.27 cubic meter and total cutting quantity will be equal to 1345.4 cubic meter. Thank you.